Good morning, children. This is Sachi teacher again. Children, we have covered many points of the chapter Indus Valley Civilization in the previous modules. I think you have gone through the chapter once. So today we are going to discuss the remaining part of this chapter Indus Valley Civilization. Before beginning with the discussion, let us do a quick recapitulation of the topics already covered. See, the first civilization or the River Valley Civilization came into existence in the world between 4000 BCE and 600 BCE on the river banks. We have already covered all these points in the previous modules. These civilizations were Egyptian civilizations, Mesopotamian civilizations, Indus Valley Civilization and the Chinese civilization. The Indus Valley Civilization flourished on the bank of river Indus. It covered most of the present-day Pakistan and parts of India. The Harappans lived in highly developed cities which had public buildings, granaries, baths, water tanks and covered drains. So today we will cover all these points: the social life, economic life, art and craft, decline of the Indus Valley Civilization. Okay. So let us start with the social life of Indus Valley people. See, social division in the Indus Valley Civilization. The main social classes of the Indus River Valley Civilization are the gods, Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Sudras and then the untouchables. Okay, on the basis of this segregation, the whole society was divided. Okay, the priest and the Brahmins, they were considered as the upper class in the during the Indus Valley Civilization in the society. Now we will talk about the administration. No evidence of kings or rulers has been found in the Harappan culture. What is this Harappan culture, children? Yes, that is Indus Valley only. Okay, both are same. Cities were governed by committees. Who are these committees? Rich merchants and priests, as there were no kings or rulers. Now we will talk about the religion. No temples discovered, excavated clay seals and figurines, mother goddess as a symbol of fertility, seals of male god with yogic posture surrounded by animals is believed to be that of Lord Pasupati. Amulets were found, worship force of nature, people tree and hummed bull. Okay, no temples have been discovered from the Harappan cities. However, the excavated clay seals and figurines suggest that the Harappan worship a mother goddess as a symbol of fertility. The seal of a male god seated in a yogic posture surrounded by animals is believed to be that of Lord Pasupati. Okay, they used to worship nature. Okay, and people tree was considered very sacred to them, and hummed bull was also worshipped. Okay, now the Harappans believed in life after death also, as a number of items like jewelry and tools have been excavated from the graves. Many urns containing human bones and ashes have also been excavated. Now we will talk about the food and dress. Okay. Barley and wheat were the main food crops. People also reared animals like buffaloes, sheep, pigs and hens for meat and eggs. The study of Harappan seals shows that the Indus Valley people wore a shawl-like dress as upper garment and a dhoti-like dress for lower garment. Women wore skirts. Their clothes were made up of cotton and wool. The discovery of clay spindles shows that the women used to spin yarn also. Okay, this is the evidence found. Now we will discuss about the personal grooming. Now both men and women in the Indus Valley were interested in personal grooming. They wore ornaments like bangles, earrings and girdles made of cells, beads and metals. You can see the pictures given on this slide. Okay, different metals and bones and ivory are being used for making the ornaments. Okay, metals like copper, silver and gold were also used. Razors, mirrors and ivory combs of that period have also been excavated. Okay, means the Indus Valley people were more civilized. Okay, these are the evidence which makes it clear that they were very civilized. They were having sense of hygiene also, because, and what is the evidence that they were having the sense of hygiene? They were very hygienic. Yes, their sanitation system. Now we will talk about recreation. Okay, for entertainment, the Harappans seem to have turned to dance and music. A number of gold, terracotta and stone figurines of dancing girls reveal their love for dancing. The Harappans also played dice and marble games. The craftsmen made clay and terracotta toys like the bird-shaped whistle and carts, puppets with movable heads, rattles and dolls were also found, which gives a clue that they were using all these toys made up of clay and metals for their entertainment. Now we will talk about the economic life of the Indus people. The Harappans mainly depended on agriculture for livelihood. They exported beads, gems and valuable ornaments to civilizations in West Asia and Africa. The export include copper, ivory and cotton textiles also. Uniform system of weight and measures were used. That means what? If uniform system of weight and measures they started using all these, that means there were no more barter system. Okay, because they were using gold and silver coins also, started using it, not in a very finished form, but they started using it in somehow. Now we will talk about the art and craft. They were good craftsmen who made bronze and copper utensils and weapons. Statue of dancing girl is a masterpiece in bronze casting. See, this is the picture of the dancing girl, which is made up of which metal? Yes, bronze metal. It is being casted by them. Can you imagine? Yes, it's very, very tough for them during that time. In the absence of different advanced technology, it was not so easy for them for casting a metal into this form. Okay, but they did it. Now, decline of the Indus Valley civilization. There were many reasons behind this, the decline of Indus Valley civilization. The Indus Valley civilization vanished suddenly around 1500 BCE. The causes that actually led to the decline are not known. However, historians believe that the decline may be due to of the following reasons. Number one, the sudden decline of the Harappan civilization is attributed to the following reason. Number one, climatic change. 2, change in the course of river Indus. Increase in population. Decline in agriculture. Frequent floods. Epidemics. Okay. And this is one of the important question from this chapter also. You have to learn and write in points in your notebook also for answering this question. Okay. That's all for today, children. Thank you.